Hi everyone, I'm Ivy, Product Manager of iDS.Signage CMS. In this section, I will introduce you our signage solution and how our signage solution can help in the service innovation and enhance customer experience. First, I would like to share some information and the trend for digital transformation in retail stores. This is Intel's research, which includes three parts. The first is smart digital signage, which can effectively help improve performance and customer satisfaction. The second is self-service kiosk, such as product introduction, price and inventory inquiry, etc. Allows customers to choose by themselves and provide a unique customer experience with a self-service kiosk. The report says that it can improve sales by 10% and the willingness to use the kiosk again is reached to 95%. Last but not least is interactive point of sale or self-checkout machine, which is also an essential part of digital transformation of retail stores. We can see that many chain retailers are building numerous interactive self-checkout kiosks. For these three directions, we can find out that it all revolves around signage and touchscreens. Therefore, digital signage is actually very important in digital transformation and improve customer service experience in retail industry. Digital signage also links the digital transformation for other industries. Here are some numbers shared with you. In retail and food and beverage, 80% of customers said they have entered a store because of digital signage catching their interest. And over 40% of customers had changed their shopping decisions because of digital signage. Around 80% of customers make an expected purchase because of digital signage. In the service industry, digital signage can effectively help the establishment of hotels' brand image, and nearly 50% of guests are more inclined to use self-check-in kiosk. In exhibition service, using digital signage as a tool for digital service can effectively increase exhibition attendance by 20%, improve the efficiency of information transmission by 27%, and reduce the cost by 30%. In corporate and educational, digital signage is even more essential to connect and integrate information. Not only improve corporate communication by 56%, but also can improve employee productivity by 25%. In education, signage is considered by 70% of educational institutions as critical for the future of communication. The above information allows us to clearly understand that digital signage is an important tool for the digital transformation of various industries. And what are the challenges that they are facing? The high communication cost to initial and realize the creative or eye-catching self-service interactive ideas. And that they also struggled with how to make the user-generated content become the content on the digital signage within ease. And every changes of the creative ideas will involve extensive development and customization that needs coding process. And when the business grows globally, it's exhausted to manage the signage players around the world. What they need is a signage solution that is easy to use for marketer and the content designer, and also easy to value added for the IT and the system integrator. Here we present you our iDS.Signage CMS. It's an intuitive and flexible digital signage solution for integrated information, content design, and display management. We support multiple platforms including Windows and Android, and various types of display devices including all-in-one like View series, and signage players like USM series box PC, and multi-screen video wall and self-service kiosk. In terms of functional applications, there are 4 main functions. In the content editing design, we support a variety of widgets which can be used for content layout design and can be directly used for event design and program planning for the interactive programs. The second major function is dispatch management, which can expand and mirror screen display and be able to make specific content to be played at a specific time. And a dispatch content review function can improve the security to ensure the correct program display at the right time. The third major function is player status management. The digital signage solution can instantly manage the player status and quickly respond to player failure and support OTA service. The fourth function is playback data statistics, which mainly provides proof of play statistics, and the data can be exported for value-added analysis. As for the deployment, we provide SaaS subscription and private cloud deployment. In interactive mode, we support no-code and low-code way to achieve flexible interactive functions so that information can be presented more diversely. Here are the key features of our signage solution. First, it's very simple and easy to use. It only takes 4 steps to complete. Then we have complete remote device management so that the customer experience will not be interrupted because of the device problems. And we support a variety of interactive functions and combine IoT technology to make the signage smarter. We also provide a mobile app to convert our digital signage programs in real time to make the interaction even more flexible. Last but not least, we have the content review function, which allows the signage to play the correct content without accident. Next, we will illustrate more about our key features. The first is 4 easy steps to use. Actually, just upload the media, then edit the program, set the schedule, and dispatch the program. Just that simple. And we can widely apply it to a different signage scenario, whether it's all-in-one, dual display, or 3 or 4 display on the TV wall. We have a wealth of hardware front-end solution to choose from. In signage solution, it's important to support a wide range of widgets and multimedia. We support video formats in MP4 and WMV. Also supports various text types such as McQueen, bulletin board, and time. In addition, we also support HTML, YouTube, RTSP, and RSS. The program layout can be all videos with no segment like the picture on the left, or it can be image with the text like the picture in the middle. Or it can also be multi-layout design like the picture on the right. The right side is the picture rotating, and the left side is the streaming videos, and the bottom side is the McQueen messages. We provide an intuitive editing interface to easily achieve the multi-layout design. First, our interface can intuitively drag and drop. What you see is what you get. For example, you can easily add string and drag them to the corresponding position. In addition, our program arrangement is very flexible. We can make the flexible settings for the carousel of the video and the images. And we can also do the carousel special effects settings for different images, such as fade in and fade out, from the left to right or from the top to bottom. Last but not least, when you do the multi-layout design, you can preview the dynamic effect of the program without distraction. In terms of scheduling, we continue the user experience of program editing, which is the same as dragging and place to set the schedule, and can also quickly set the program carousel and have the setting of the day, week, month, and year. After we complete the schedule setting of when the program will be played, the next step is dispatch the task schedule to the players in our store. We support one-click dispatch to all stores around the world, providing same delivery of special promotions and customized delivery groups. Make delivery more flexible and fast. Our next feature is seamless remote management. We can clearly know the current connection status of the players at a glance. It's also important to remotely update the signage software with our OTA function and control the signage player's sound and other convenient management functions. In addition, we can get the current real-time screen and hardware information, which can help the IT department quickly understand the status and the players and then quickly resume the failure. Next, let's talk about the interactive functions. We can turn the existing self-service kiosk into a great engagement tool. The existing self-service machine may have exclusive service such as self-checkout, product or price inquiry, or floor guidance. But not all the time the customer are in use. Just install our signage solution, we can efficiently use idle time and transform the kiosk into an advertising display. It can be done by kiosk mode with the one-step setup, or can install the Face AI camera to achieve zero-touch switching. The next interactive application is our signage can complete exclusive wayfinding in 4 steps. Our signage solution supports button widget and interaction script setup, which can fulfill the wayfinding setting. First, prepare the wayfinding plan and the media, like the floor plan and the images. Next, upload the media and edit the layout of the wayfinding interface. The third step is to set the relation of the button actions. And the last step is dispatch the kiosk to the kiosk or the touch panel PC when the exclusive wayfinding is complete and ready to amass the visitors. Another interactive application is also using our Face AI camera to make the digital signage smarter. Through the Face AI camera, you can analyze the customer demographic in front of the screen, and you can preset the advertising promotion content to be played by the different customer groups, and you can accurately play the advertisement to attract the audience. In addition, it can collect customer information, including demographic information, and further optimize advertising content. Here's another interactive application, which is interaction with the IoT sensors. By integrating IoT data of people counting sensors and air quality sensors, the signage can show the people counting data and air quality data in real time, which can help to improve the social distance management and provide a safe shopping space. Next is our mobile app for instant control. We use mobile app to switch our programs in real time, providing more flexible management. For example, our customer in US, they use the remote control switching function to achieve customer interactions. The retail chain has the activities to interact with their customers at 8 p.m. every night. After taking the customer's photo, they use our mobile app to switch the customer's photo to digital signage, so that the user-generated content can be broadcast immediately. Finally, our special feature for the security purpose of digital signage is the content review function. We can set our program content review function to allow the supervisor to do the second review of the content to ensure the correctness of the program content before the actual dispatch. Next, let me share some of the real case of the signage scenario. Here is more commonly used in the commercial advertisement and the catering menus, and it can also be used for establish the brand images, and also the communication for the corporate information. Here is more advanced application that can be combined with the self-service kiosk, and they can also do the RFID integration to switch product introduction programs. And they also provide IoT data integration in Taiwan's outlet shopping mall to provide shopping safety information. That will be my sharing for today. So if you are interested in our signage solution, you can contact with our sales representative for more detailed product information. Thank you all for joining the webinar today.